registration video. Welcome to the Namma School Namma Ooru Palli registration process. This video will guide you step by step on how to fill in the registration form. First, go to the Namma School Namma Ooru Palli website by typing nammaschool.tnschools.gov.in in your browser search bar. Click on the sign up option at the top of the page. If you're clubs, click the clubs option in the given list. Choose the category of the social club. Enter the name of the club as per official records. Provide the registered address of the club. Enter the official phone number of the club. Provide the official email ID for all future communication. If available, enter the club ID. This field is optional. Enter the PAN number of the club carefully. Provide the name of the designated contact person. Enter the phone number of the designated contact person. Select how you came to know about NSNOP. You may choose from Google, social media, alumni, alumni team, SMC team, NSNOP team, headmaster, government officials, events, newspaper, word of mouth or SEIAA/SEAC. Next, click on the Send OTP. Enter the OTP you receive on your phone. Provide your consent by clicking the checkbox. Finally, click on the Register button to complete your registration. Review all the information entered carefully before submitting the form. Thank you for registering and supporting the Namma School Namma Ooru Palli initiative. If you encounter any issues during registration, don't hesitate to contact us using the contact details displayed on your screen. nammaschool@tnschools.gov.in or 044-2999-4215 or +91 63853 13047.